grade 3, fine. Yesterday we solved the number 30, the first table only. Fill in the missing numbers as indicated. We have to find what comes just before and just after. We have 1000. Before 1000 we have 999 because the number that comes just before it is 999, okay? And after it, after the 0, do we have 1? So we put 1 in the units, 1001. Now 3999. What comes before 9? 8. So we put 8 in the units. So we got 3998. What comes after 9? We will start new song. The new song needs 0 in the units and plus 1 to the tens. 9 plus 1, also 10. 9 plus 1, also 10. 3 plus 1, 4. So we get 4000. Now 2010. What comes after 0? 1. So we put instead of 0, 1. 2011. What comes before 0? So before 0 we have the old song. The old song ends with 9. So we put 9 in the units and we make minus 1 for the number that comes before 0. What comes before 0? 1. So 1 minus 1, 0, because we are going backward, okay? So we get 2009. Now 1300 also. What comes after 0? 1. 1301. What comes before 0? Old song ends with 9. So 9. How many zeros we have? 2 zeros. So we have to write 2, 9. 9 in the units and 9 in the tens. And we subtract the number that comes before the zeros. 3. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So we get 1299. And so on, you will complete the following table. Now in number 32, add to 1000. What do we mean add? Yani plus. To 1000 the number that comes just before it. What comes before 1000? As I told you previously, 999. So I have to add 1000 to the number that comes just before it. So 1000 plus 999, it's equal to 1999. Now in number 34, find the largest 4-digit number. The largest, yani the greatest 4-digit number form using the digits 4, 0, 1, and 5. Each digit is used only once. So we have to find the largest 4-digit number by using the following numbers. So since we need the largest number, so the thousands should be the biggest. Okay, so which one is the greatest here? 5. So put 5 in the 1000. Then what comes before 5? 4. Then we have 1 and 0. 1 is greater than 0, so put 1 in the tens. And then the 0 in the units because it's the smallest digit. Okay, so we get 5400 times the greatest 4-digit number formed by 4, 0, 1, and 5. With respect to number 36, find the smallest number. So here the smallest number, but greater than 1000. What do we mean greater than 1000? Yeah, the 1000 should be 1 and more, okay? You can form with the digits 5, 3, 0, and 2. So we have also 4 digits. What we can start? Okay, 0 is the smallest digit, but we can't start with it because the number should be greater than 1000. Yani the 1000 should be greater than 1 or equal to 1. Okay, so we can't put 0 in the 1000. So what comes after 0? We have 2. So we put here 2, and 2000 is greater than 1000. Then we put 0 in the hundreds because also the smallest number. Then 3 or 5 is smaller. 3. Then 5. So we get 2035. It's the smallest number that is greater than 1000 and is formed from these digits 5, 3, 0, and 2. Okay. With respect to number 39, add to 2500. You have to add to 2500 the number that comes just before it. So what comes before 2500? Since we have 0, So the old song ends with 9. Since we have 2 zeros, we have 2, 9. Okay, then we make -1 for the number that comes before 0. 5 minus 1, 4, and then 2,499 comes just before 2,500. So we have to add them. 2,500 plus 2,499. It's equal to what? Units with units, tens with tens, hundreds with hundreds, and thousands with thousands. So we got 4,999. Now, with respect to the homework, you have to continue number 30. 35, write in words, in word form. Number 37, complete by using greater than, less than, or equal without calculating. And number 40, count by 200, plus 200. In 37, how can we compare without calculating? For example, 2,000 plus 509 and 2,000 plus 600. Both have 2,000, okay? So, here we have plus 509 and here plus 600. Which one is greater, 509 or 600? Of course 600, so the alligator will open its mouth to 2,000 plus 600, since 600 is greater than 509. Here, 4,000 plus 40 and 4,000 minus 40. Also 4,000 here and 4,000 here. We have plus 40 minus 40, different signs, okay? Here plus and here minus. Which is greater, the plus or the minus? Of course, plus. So the alligator will open its mouth to 4,000 plus 40 because it has plus, okay, not minus. Now, what about if we have two minuses? Also, we have 4,000 and here we have 4,000. They are the same, but here we have minus 50 and here minus 60. In subtraction, the smallest is the greatest. يعني أصغر رقم هو بيكون الأكبر. So, here we have minus 50 and here we have minus 60. Which is smaller? Minus 50, okay? So, since 50 is smaller, so it is the greatest, okay? In minus, the smallest is the greatest. So, 4,000 minus 50 is greater than 4,000 minus 60. So, when we have same signs, plus, plus, we choose the greatest. When we have plus and minus, we choose, of course, the plus. And when we have minus and minus, the smallest is the greatest. And so on, you will continue the following part. Thank you, and have a nice vacation. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.